Another day, another vlog, man. I don't know where I'm at. Well, I know where I'm at. This is what I be doing, bro. When I be around Vegas and I be riding my, when I be riding my bike, I don't take my bike and ride to the destinations I want to ride in. I put it in my car. Look how big they park is. That's fucking, look. This is their whole park, bro. That's kind of scary. Oh, shit. But anyway, what I be doing is, I park my car at any random apartments, you know what I'm saying? And then I get my bike out, because if you been to Vegas, and I'm not talking about the strip, bro. I'm talking about if you been to Vegas, like in the communities and all that, this shit is like 80% apartments in the whole city. So yeah, I'll find an apartment close to the destination I want to be at, and I get to vlogging just like that, you know what I'm saying? And today, what apartments is it? It's the Sunset Apartments, right? Yeah, Sunset Apartments. Y'all been here asleep. Let me show you, what time is it? I don't know what time it is. Can y'all see what time that is? Or no? No? Yeah. Anyway, if you can't, it's 5:09 in the morning. Been out here since 5:30. I just decided to turn the camera on. It was up here raining, hard as hell. Put this phone in my sweats before I drop this. But anyway, it was up here raining hard as hell for some reason. I don't know how that happened up in one of the driest cities in the country. But yeah, we on Martin Luther King right now, bro. Yeah, I'm both. Told y'all these bike vlogs finna be like meaning like 3 times, 4 times a week. The only thing that make it real hard to do is the editing part, you know what I'm saying? Nigga be busy. Not busy, I just be tired, bro. I'm cool on the edit. But anyway, I think it's like the west side or something like that, the southwest. Whatever it is, bro, we over there. Slow down, slugger. You see me? Whoa. Hello?
Hi, welcome to McDonald's. How may I help you?
Can I have a sausage McMuffin and a hash brown, please?
All right. Any jelly ketchup or hot sauce?
Jelly, yeah, with the hash brown, and a large, and an orange soda.
All right. Is that all for you?
An orange juice, I mean, with no egg on the sausage.
Okay.
That's it, thank you.
Orange juice, okay. Your total is $5.72. First window.
Y'all forgot to eat. Y'all gotta spare me one time, you know what I'm saying? Spare me one time. Cause I think I gotta eat. I know they like, bro, at the drive-thru on his bike. Yup. Care. But y'all want me to be on the bike all week, and then next thing you know, I'm end up passing out when I have nothing to eat, bro. And I hate smoking on an empty stomach. I got a half a blunt of kush up in my backpack that I'm gonna pull over in. You know what I'm saying? What up? What's up? Hey, I was supposed to go to the first window?
The front's open.
The front open? I already ordered. My hash brown and my McMuffin and my orange juice. The sausage McMuffin, the hash brown, and the orange juice.
What size orange juice?
Just the regular size. Thank you. stay heavy. You put the strawberry jelly in? Thank you. Man, let me get on in peace, you know what I'm saying? Whoop, whoop. That look like my shit. It's like I just put some 22s on mine. I'm finna eat real quick, bro. Right foot up. One of those. Ain't nothing like that. I don't even eat McDonald's, I promise you. Hey, is sausage ground beef? Where does sausage come from? That's what I never really thought about. This shit look old. This bun is the bike mukbang. Hey, orange juice with no ice. It be tasting like a vodka, like. I'm mad I threw my damn thing. Because I want a piece of that still. Matter of fact, I can steal. Because that's, look, I'm letting y'all see, oh, Ghost ate off the ground. First of all, it was mine. Instead of a 30, 60-second rule, I mean, you know, a 6-second rule, whatever that is, I give it a 60-second. You know what I'm saying? And the bottom bread is on the rocks, not the meat. So I'm able to remove this top bread. See, now it's cheese. And then I can take the meat and still eat this thing, you know what I'm saying? I can do that. Hey, I'm still hungry and I threw it when I thought I was gonna be full, but I wasn't, so fuck it. Oh, real. It was in the middle. It was bread, meat, bread. I left the bottom piece, it was like the legs on the bed, you know what I'm saying? Just because the legs on the bed, you're not sleeping on the floor because you got the mattress on there. That's how I look at it like that. The bottom piece was the legs, and the meat was the mattress. Yeah. You ain't gonna be mad at me. This is my health anyway. I ain't gonna be mad at that shit. To all my tree smokers out there. That big head ass didn't give me no damn napkins. But anyway, to all my tree smokers out there. Y'all know how bomb that blood be when you about to eat, right? I mean, after you eat, right? Those the vibes I'm on. Shit. Hit the block some noise. With my line caught, and I'm so high. Why you over there by yourself, bro? They selling dog. Shit got investigate. Not on my watch. Hold on. What you doing at the Cox building? Cox, I got y'all. What the hell they doing up in here by they goddamn self? What I want to know. They looking at me, I'm gonna turn it this way so y'all can look at him. You know what I mean? What is the bro out there doing in the car? That's a female. She up there doing her makeup. Hey, Cox, I got y'all. $50 off of my next cable. What happened up here, bro? Oh, I'm finna be nosy. See what's going on. And we running red lights. What happened with? Oh, they got somebody pulled over. Where that weed at, Ghost? Don't even trip. Sun finna come up. Toast to that. Niggas out here living. We can toast to that. And the backwood ain't break. Let's toast to that. Probably like a private lesson flight or something like that. When you get big hobbies, when you get big money, you get big hobbies. You go from working on toy planes to having private lessons on airplanes while you flying them over. You know? Right. Whatever block this is. No, it's gonna sound like I'm on some grimy shit, but I'm just like, be real, I thought I had my lighter with me. I'm finna open somebody's car door, see if their car door is, so I use their lighter. Everybody got a lighter in their ashtray. Somebody you know smoke left a lighter in your car, bro. You think I'm lying? Check your car in the morning. Somebody you know that don't smoke got a lighter in their motherfucking car. And where all these dead ends coming from? Shit. Nigga run from the police or something. I would have been caught. But I've been smoking, bro. Smoking. If I would have had one of these bikes when I was like 13, 14, bro, I swear to God, I would have been a thousandaire because I would have got me, my homie, and my cousin. Them niggas would have to have a bike too, but I would have been on this shit with a basket attached to the back, because what we used to do, bro, as youngins, you didn't even see me with your headphones. Bro got his headphones on, don't even see. But what we used to do as youngins, we would, search the whole hood for cans and bottles. You know what I'm saying? We'll mow lawns, babysit, we do all that shit for money. But if I would have had this when I was like 13, 14, I would have been around half, like a quarter of LA checking every trash can for cans and bottles, bro, like that, bro. What? Hold on. Yeah, I'm gonna get off this bike, bro, and sit down and shit. What's up with all these dead end streets? This is a trap. I've been trying to get out here for like the last 5 minutes. I want to sit down and smoke. I feel like, dang, how can I blow up on something? Like, bro, I need somewhere to I'm just about to sit on the homie porch. I mean, not the homie, I don't know them. This shit. I need this phone. There you go. Shit. I'm being real, bro. I need to. I don't know who shit this is, but damn it. I need to chill for a minute. You know what I'm saying? I just don't want to come out here shooting. And it's gonna really be curtains. Now I think I'm finna level up with these bike vlogs. I know I keep saying that, but my podcast is booming. Everything I want to work is working. Oh, this blunt keep coming out loose. Everything I want to work is working. And I kind of abandoned my vlog channel, but I'm gonna still do regular vlogs. Don't get me wrong. But the bike vlogs is the main priority for at least the next 2 months. You know what I'm saying? Podcast. Spotify, Apple, get over there. Shit dope. Clean, man. They got fake pears to keep the birds away. You know what I'm saying? I have to lean my back and get something riding that bike, boy. Hey, your lower back is screaming. I promise you. Thanks, Sue, or Mike, or Bill, or whoever live here. This shit was comfortable. Now, back on the boat, the Ghost Mobile. Oh. Here we go. Oh, so we is on the west side. And I only say that because I say West Prep Huskies. Oh, y'all ain't no Pits? I'm a Husky. A Husky head ass. West Pratt, what's up? And it's still sprinkling on this one. Oh, so now they got the school open? Oh, shit. Oh, I'm finna say. Oh, how bro get in? Hold up. Shit, finna work me, man. We gotta go around some more, huh? Hold on. How that truck get in here, bro? Where he? I'm on the what? Oh, I'm in the back of the school, say no more. Hold up. Hold on. Let me, oh, no, that is a school. Where am I going, bro? Let me finish this so we don't take it on school campus. Kids, do not smoke. With your weird ass. Is this the school? Yeah, see, this that weird shit. Hold up. We finna get to the bottom of this. How do I not know? How do the school not have a front? Like the kids just get thrown over the gate in the morning and shit. You know what I'm saying? Where's the front of West Prep High School? And then I ain't going to no school called Prep either. That sounds like some squares. Fresh Mr. Bel Air and shit like. And the police everywhere, huh? Or is this the police department? Break the church, no. Police, no. Oh, this is the police department. What are we doing right here? Smoking a tree in front of the police department. Tell them sue me. That bomb. So you mean to tell me y'all kids at West Prep High School can't ditch because when you hop in the gate, you gonna hop in the parking lot of the police. Nah. And now I gotta go all the way around? This that bush. Nah, I'm not playing these games. It's official. West Prep don't have a y'all get thrown over the gate. Oh shit. Hey, yeah. Ow. Watch out, ghost. Get this one myself. I don't need oh shit. Hey. Yeah. Ow. Watch out, ghost. Watch out, boys. I'll sue y'all. Oh, so where we going, Ghost? Where we going, Ghost? Woo! They try to end me. Try to end me. Hey, my mama boyfriend used to live up in here. Oh, everything I love, I think she used to live right up in here. Yeah. Whoa. Sunset Apartments, good looking out on babysitting my car for free. You know what I mean? I will be back here, like, probably never, but oh, my car, look at that mirror, clean. No lie though, ever since I put them 22s on my car, that shit look way better, huh? Let's keep it 100. Let's keep it 100. But yeah, this vlog over with. I'm gonna catch you on the next one. I don't know when the next one gonna be. Psych, probably like 2 or 3 days, no lie. Be careful out there, I love y'all, man. DJ Ghost 100.